Welcome to our journey through the magnificent glaciers of Iceland. Today, we'll explore their history, the different types of glaciers, and their profound impact on the landscape. Iceland's glaciers have a rich history dating back to the last ice age, around 10,000 years ago. These colossal ice formations have been sculpting the landscape for millennia, creating a dynamic and ever changing environment. As the climate warmed, some glaciers receded while others remained, preserving the secrets of the past within their icy depths. Iceland is home to several types of glaciers. The most prominent are the ice caps, such as Vatnajökull, the largest in Europe, covering around 8% of Iceland's land area. Outlet glaciers like Svinesfellsjökull and Falljökull flow from these massive ice caps into the valleys below. There are also alpine glaciers, found in the mountainous regions, and cirque glaciers, nestled in bowl-shaped hollows on the mountainsides. Glaciers are not static, they are constantly on the move. This movement occurs through a combination of internal deformation and basal sliding. Internal deformation happens as the immense weight of the ice causes it to flow slowly like a very viscous liquid. Basal sliding occurs when meltwater at the base of the glacier acts as a lubricant, allowing the glacier to slide over the bedrock. The speed of glacial movement can vary greatly, from a few centimeters to several meters per day, influenced by factors such as temperature, ice thickness, and the slope of the land. Iceland's glaciers offer unique opportunities for exploration and adventure, from ice climbing on the crevasses of Solheimajökull to snowmobiling across the vast expanse of Lengjökull. There are countless ways to experience the icy wonders up close. Guided glacier hikes, like the one you see here, provide a chance to witness the otherworldly blue ice caves that form during the winter months. The interaction between glaciers and the landscape is a powerful and ongoing process. As glaciers move, they carve out deep valleys, fjords, and dramatic peaks, reshaping the land in their wake. Meltwater from glaciers feeds rivers and waterfalls, creating stunning natural spectacles like the famous Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, where icebergs drift serenely on the water's surface. Iceland's glaciers are not just frozen rivers of ice. They are dynamic living entities that shape and are shaped by their environment. They hold the key to understanding our planet's climatic past and future. Beyond their scientific significance, glaciers have profound cultural and economic importance in Iceland. They influence local folklore, contribute to the island's unique landscapes that attract millions of tourists each year, and provide vital resources like fresh water. The awe inspiring presence of glaciers reminds us of the incredible forces of nature and our responsibility to protect these irreplaceable assets. By exploring, understanding, and respecting these natural wonders, we contribute to their preservation and the health of our planet. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Iceland's glaciers. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of the natural world.